Welcome to our fascinating YouTube video showcasing the iconic Christ the Redeemer statue and its remarkable replica in Portugal, seen from a captivating bird's-eye view using Google Earth. Join us on a virtual journey as we explore these magnificent statues, both towering testaments of faith and human ingenuity. Our adventure begins in Rio de Janeiro, where the iconic Christ the Redeemer stands proudly atop Corcovado Mountain. With its outstretched arms, this colossal statue has become a symbol of Brazil and a beacon of hope and peace. Marvel at the intricate details of its design and the breathtaking views it offers of the vibrant city below. Nestled on the cliffs of the city, this majestic tribute overlooks the Tagus River and the city of Lisbon. As we explore the details of this replica, we can appreciate the dedication and craftsmanship put into its construction. The statue serves as a symbol of unity, connecting Brazil and Portugal through shared faith and admiration. Through the power of Google Earth's bird's-eye view, we are able to witness these awe-inspiring statues from a unique perspective. Subscribe to our channel for more captivating journeys, and let us transport you to extraordinary destinations around the world, seen from the mesmerizing bird's-eye view of Google Earth. Thank you for watching.